I'm going to show you exactly where I think we are in this crypto bull run. And if I can just get 5 minutes of your time, then hopefully this can make your crypto journey much, much easier. Now, this is something I've seen before happen in the last cycle and the cycle before. I've been in this market for a long time. I've seen my portfolio in the 5 figures. I've seen it in the 6 figures. I've seen it go back to 5 figures, then back into 6 figures, and then beyond, hopefully, one day into 7 and more. But right now, I want to talk about what is happening in this particular market. And, you know, I think a lot of people here bought in December. I think, honestly, a lot of people watching these videos or clocking out or really feeling that fear, they were the people that bought in December, people that got in late and have only experienced the market when it's pretty much now moving down because you bought the top and all you've felt is that pain of down, down, down. And this is only going down. Now, I just want to quickly reflect firstly, look, this bull run really for me kicked off around October 2023. We've seen bullish activity here for 490 days. Typically the last bull run in 2017 and 2020, these ones speak massive volume about the current cycle that we're in now. If you were to look at the last bull run, this really started to uptick around April 2020, just after COVID. The last bull market cycle was 574 days in terms of its length. Now, where do I honestly think we are right now? Because if we look at the 2017 high, that was at $19,400 for Bitcoin. And where we broke that previous high in 2020 was right here, right here. And if we look at where we broke the previous all-time high in 2020, but for this cycle, it was around about, I would say, just here. We just went through that all-time high. So, and also again, kind of like here as well. So there's 2 times it's happened. Now, what happened the last time in the 2020 bull run was that we had that massive, massive price wave to the upside, 200+%. But then we had a correction. We came back down and we thought that was the top. It came down and we thought it was all over. Then it went back up. So I think we might do something similar where we've come up. So where we actually are right now in my mind of this bull run is basically we're here. We're back in February 2021. We're right there where we've just gone through the previous all-time high of the last cycle. As you can see, that's about there. We've had that leg up. That was that leg up there. Very similar things where you get that first initial crazy rally, that first initial crazy pump, which shakes out so much fresh liquidity, which usually then re-enters the market and buys back in at a loss. But this really excites me because if we come down, that's, in my opinion, it's possible. It's not off the cards. We could potentially come back down to $70,000. If we came back down to 70K, then we could blast off potentially to the upside and keep this bull market sustained. Remember, the last one was 574 days. This one's been 490 days. 500, or let's just say 600 days would take us through to summer of this year. This bull market might even go on for longer. We don't actually know what the future entails. It could be very different. Alternatively, Bitcoin has been just trading in this sideways channel for a long time, bouncing off 91K every single time. The big resistance is 110,000. If we can break through 110,000, we might see Bitcoin flurry up to $130,000, $140,000. And that's what really sparks interest in me, is this logarithmic regression chart. Of course, you can see the last bull market cycles too, guys. We were sitting at the top of the red band here. This is the logarithmic regression curve. The top red area suggests you should be selling and you're in a euphoric market, you're in greed. Right now, we're sitting in the red band, but there's lack of euphoria. There's lack of greed. There's lack of all these emotions that make people buy. We're basically there. That's how I feel. We're around here. We're around this area in terms of sentiment, but in this part of the market. So if we can get that breakout to the upside, this should fly. And I do then expect it to sort of downward spiral and fizzle out eventually back into the sort of low $50,000, maybe even low $40,000 or something in 2026, 2027, which is going to be the undervaluation, reaccumulation opportunity of a lifetime. That's when you want to be buying into the markets. Not now. Now isn't for like YOLOing, not like 80% of savings into crypto. Now is like, okay, I bought crypto hopefully a year ago and I'm selling it now little by little. Every time this market goes up 5%, 5%, 5%. That's the way you play this game. It's a patience game. There's no point taking massive risks if you don't need to, when you can just buy in the bear market and be patient. It's going to potentially offer more than any bank ever could anyway. So yeah, that is the 5-minute mark. I didn't want to talk about too much more, except Bitcoin still looks like we just need that conviction move. We need to see either, yes, this is going up, or no, this is going down. So we're waiting. Quick indicators here. H bar recently, Hedera H bar hit my 31 here on the RSI, and ever since we called that in my Discord, my Discord channel, check out, it's nearly got 40,000 members. We're so close. We've got prizes and giveaways, trading signals, and more. Look at all these trading wins, by the way. If you do join the Discord, you can also get some of these monolithic rewards. So check it out down below. But yeah, for sure, guys, this is insane. H bar Hedera hitting that bottom, that 30 RSI here. Last time it was at 30 RSI in the daily time frame was November 2024. Solana, also, if we look at the weekly, the last time Solana hit that low RSI region on the daily time frame, that was also a long time ago, December 2024. So we're seeing the waves of fear and greed over and over again. Looking at DEX volume, the DEX volume on this month is not that glorious in contrast to some of the previous months that we've seen recently. February's DEX volume across all chains, pretty low compared to January and December. That's because we had euphoria in those last few months. Right now, we're just looking like we're performing a bit like a November month, which isn't terrible, but I'm really hoping that March is going to be the December, and then April, hopefully, will be like January. That's what I really wish for. If you do want to also get, the most out of this market, you can check out my Patreon down below as little as $4. Just $4 per month. A cheeseburger per month in the bin instead of in your belly. Check it out down below. We want more winners. We want this community to grow further and further. If you want to get in on the private community, that will help you hopefully make more money. And yeah, just let us know down below what you want to hear on this channel next. If you are serious about your crypto, look at the Patreon and get yourself signed up to Bitchnix. They've also got some major new sign-up bonuses at the moment. No KYC and, of course, globally accessible. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching this video. And yeah, check out Jacob's Crypto Clan while I should add it. I think this market is going to test the patience of many, many people. But overall, we can't change what's happened. We had a chance to take profits on altcoins and meme coins. But if you missed the window, then, you've just got to be true to yourself and, don't beat yourself up about it either. Just stay patient, stay pragmatic, stay hopeful. And I really hope we'll see this market fly. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, let the algorithm know that we are trying to make a difference in this space. See you soon.